Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. So we do not have any. Let me quickly create a new contact. Just something like that. It doesn't really matter. Okay, save. So after finding the contact you'd like to edit, simply tap on it and now tap on edit contact. Now we have to tap on this camera icon in this circular shape, let's say, and now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let me tap on it. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use and mark it. And here in this step you can change the size of this highlighted, you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can also zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. Sorry, not circle, square. So if you're happy with the result, just tap on done in the right upper corner and remember to tap on save again in the right upper corner. And as you can see, here we've got our contact with the photo applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.